At Healthy Horizons, we believe in uncovering the incredible benefits of simple, natural foods, and today, we're shining the spotlight on radish, a humble root vegetable that delivers powerful health benefits you might not expect. Radish is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, folate, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron, all of which work together to support your body's overall health. The high vitamin C content in radish serves as a potent antioxidant, strengthening your immune system, fighting oxidative stress, and aiding in collagen production for healthier skin and faster wound healing. Radishes are also rich in fiber, which promotes good digestion by preventing constipation, adding bulk to stools, and supporting regular bowel movements. Known for their natural diuretic properties, radishes help flush out toxins, cleanse the kidneys and urinary tract, and reduce the risk of urinary infections. In many traditional healing practices, radish juice has been used to promote liver health, stimulate bile production, and even help dissolve gallstones, supporting better fat digestion and detoxification. Radish contains sulfur compounds, such as glucosinolates, that have been studied for their cancer-protective properties, helping neutralize harmful substances and slow the growth of certain cancer cells. With their high water content, radishes help keep the body hydrated, enhance skin elasticity, and contribute to a natural, healthy glow. For those looking to manage their weight, radish is an ideal addition. It's low in calories but filling, helping to control appetite and reduce overeating. The potassium in radish supports heart health by balancing sodium levels, easing tension in blood vessels, and helping to regulate blood pressure. Don't overlook the leaves of the radish either. They're edible and rich in nutrients like vitamin A, calcium, and iron, which promote eye health, bone strength, and overall vitality. Radishes may also help with blood sugar control, as their fiber content slows sugar absorption and helps stabilize blood glucose levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes. Additionally, the natural anti-inflammatory compounds in radish can help ease joint pain and support those with arthritis. Whether eaten raw in salads, pickled, juiced, or cooked in a variety of dishes, radishes provide versatility in the kitchen and powerful support for your health. By incorporating radishes into your meals, you can enjoy their crisp texture and peppery flavor while giving your body natural protection against chronic diseases. So the next time you're at the market, remember Healthy Horizons encourages you to embrace the mighty radish as a simple, delicious way to boost your health, immunity, and longevity.